Namaste. Hamisha Kushre Hobetya. Today I am going to deal with rest of the Vedana procedures. Next one is Annalepa. It is also called as Shashtiga Lepa. In Kerala, it is also called as Sechiripa. Mainly indicated in diseases of nervous system. Comes under Sakni Sveda, Snigdha Sveda and can be done as Ekanka or Sarvanga. It is a variety of Pinda or Upanaha type of Sveda. It provides Snehana, Svedana and Brahmana effect in the body. It is a process by which whole body or any particular part is made to perspire by means of application of kinds of paisa or gruel prepared from cereals, especially prepared out of Shashtiga Shari, Kshira and Belamula Kashaya. It is believed to be having the same benefits of Shashtiga Shali Pindasveda. Before doing Annaleva, Sarvanga Abhyanga should be done. The paste should be applied in lukewarm only to the individual muscles or group of muscles with light pressure. It is very useful in Shosha, loss of function, Shula, Vada Dushti and Rekta Dushti. It is mainly indicated in Daha Pradhana disorders. The whole process requires about 1.5 hours. Materials required: Brownie, Shashtiga Shali, Bella Mula, Taila for Abhyanga 50 ml, coconut leaves, Dasnadi Churna 10 grams, Matthews and attendants, vessels, stove, etc. Procedure. First one is Purva Karma, preparation of medicine. 3 pala of Bella Mula is taken after cut and crushed into small pieces. Add 3 prasta of water and reduces to 1/4, that is 3 kodava. Then filter it and add equal quantity of kshira and 1 kodava of powdered shasheshali and boil till it becomes semi-solid in nature. Preparation of patient same as that of shasheshali pindasvera we had discussed earlier. Pradhana karma. After Sarvanga Abhyanga, do Svedana karma by applying this pudding over the body and massage mildly and gently with their hands. Pudding should be applied below the neck, little by little, and massage it from shoulders and going down to feet, and should done in all 7 postures. Utmost care should be taken that should not allow the pudding on the body to cool as it produces serious consequences which will be very difficult to cure afterwards. The body should be kept warm till the completion of procedure by gentle massage. Paschat karma. The pudding should be removed by scraping with coconut leaves. The oil on the head is removed by gentle rubbing with dry cloth. After proper cleaning, the body should be anointed with oil. Ask the patient to take rest for 5 minutes and then take hot water bath. Take lekhwahara and follow patyapatyas. Avoid immediate exposure to cold, breeze, dust, etc. Duration 45 to 60 minutes. 7, 9, 11, 14, 21 or 28 days and 14 days is ideal for this. Benefits and indication. Benefits: cures vitiated vata conditions like stiffness of joints, pain in joints or body, emaciations and general debility. Good in hypertensive cases, hold good in some kind skin conditions arise due to vitamin B deficiency and in hemiplegia and paralysis. Indications: muscle wasting due to trauma, injury and others. Dystrophic muscular disease, motor neuron diseases, cerebral palsy, poliomyelitis. If any burning sensation presents the body due to pitta and rakta dushti, then ghrida can be added to the pudding during this preparation. In case of rheumatic swellings caused by vada and rakta visation, annaleba can also done with pudding prepared with godhuma churna and milk with and without belamula kashaya. Next one is Shitadhuma, a type of Nadi Sweda, which is Snigdha in nature. It is Ushma Sweda. Here, steam is generated by boiling Belamula or Deshamula or Vajakwada, adding with Kshira, mainly indicated in Ardhita, Jifastamba, Hanustamba, and Swarabhanga. As precaution, eyes should be tied to protect them from heat. Pipes should be moved to avoid burns. Ideal time for this is 7 to 10 am and 4 to 6 pm. Materials required: Kshira 500 ml, Pelaquada 500 ml, oil for Abhyanga 50 ml, Rasnadi Chuna 5 grams, blanket 1, Nadi Sweda apparatus, iPad 1, chair 1. Procedure: Purva Karma, preparation of medicine. 500 grams of crushed bella mola is boiled with 2 liters of water and 500 ml of sheera and reduced to 500 ml. This is used for steam generation. Preparation of patient. Patient should be seated in a chair and apply talam mixed with oil. Abhyanga should be done over face, forehead, neck, shoulder, and chest. Eye should be covered with cotton cloth after covering eyes with lotus petal. Pradhana karma. Steam from the apparatus is directed over the face, neck, chest, and shoulder in uniform manner till the appearance of Vedana. It is done for about 15 minutes. Intermittent opening of the mouth should be done during the procedure. Paschat karma. Eye parts are removed, sweat is wiped off, talam is removed, and dasnadi churnam is applied. Kavala or Gandusha should be done with medicated liquids. Patient should take rest completely. Thank you. Assignment. Write the difference between Annalepa and Shashtriyashali Pindasveda. Next question. Type of Svedana advice for Amashya. First one, Nadi. Second, Hastasveda. Third, Kumbhisveda. And fourth option is Prastarasveda. This is for Hyderabad exam 1995. I hope you all understand my class digital session I have taken today. And if you are having any queries, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.